Wow, I love my fidget cube. They're so cool. Why do I fall all the time? Ha, fidget cube. I have a fidget spinner. These things are the best things you'll ever see. So what? They could spin. Prove it. Oh, I will. Fight against that. Huh? Well, haha, no words. Well, can yours do 6 different things? What? Look at what the fidget cube could do, guys. You could move the joystick. You could press buttons. You could press this and move it around like this. You could move this up and down, the gears, like this. And this feels like you enter a new world. No, guys, mine is better. Mine is better. No. What are they fighting for? No. Did they just fall? Yes. I'm gonna go and check things out. Are you guys okay? I'm okay. Yeah, me too. Good. But why are you guys fighting? Well, Eclipse thinks that fidget cubes are better than fidget spinners. And Picky thinks that fidget spinners are better than fidget cubes. I don't really know for sure, but I think our viewers have to decide that. We have to decide fidget spinner or fidget cube. Viewers? Yeah, really. Well, if you don't like viewers, what's the point of having a YouTube channel? You suck. Hey, Tails, show them who's the boss. Well, yeah, viewers are the ones that truly know, because they're cool, smart, and amazing. Isn't that right? Well, you guys decide. Yeah, but remember,